To maximize a Sofi account, it is essential to understand the various features and benefits that Sofi offers. Sofi is a financial services company that provides a range of products, including banking, investing, and loan services. First, sign up for a Sofi account and take advantage of the company's promotional offers, such as sign-up bonuses and interest rate promotions. Next, set up direct deposit to earn a higher interest rate on your checking and savings accounts. Sofi also offers a range of investment products, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. To maximize your Sofi account, consider investing in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds or ETFs. You can also take advantage of Sofi's automated investment service, which provides professional investment management at a low cost. In addition to banking and investing, Sofi also offers loan services, including personal loans and mortgage loans. To maximize your Sofi account, consider consolidating high-interest debt into a lower-interest loan or refinancing your mortgage to take advantage of lower interest rates. To get the most out of your Sofi account, make sure to monitor your accounts regularly and take advantage of Sofi's budgeting and financial planning tools. These tools can help you track your spending, create a budget, and achieve your financial goals. Finally, consider referring friends and family to Sofi to earn referral bonuses and other rewards. Sofi often offers incentives for referrals, which can help you earn extra money or bonuses. By following these steps and taking advantage of Sofi's features and benefits, you can maximize your Sofi account and achieve your financial goals.